Yes, once again, thank you for following us and like and sharing our videos and posts on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you. Big boy na tuna lay plugata. We've been having some issues with this Honeywell panel. It's one of the best panel in the world. It's made in it's a product from USA. Yes, so we had a problem with loop open circuit, and finally we tested it on a single device, addressable device detector, smoke detector, and it's working well now. As you can see, there's no more troubles. The power is okay, alarm silent is okay, trouble is okay, system trouble, disable, test, everything is okay now. So that means we can actually loop all the smoke detectors and the belts, all the smoke detectors and the belts, and we'll configure everything, and we'll show you if everything is working well and after the test and the commissioning. So stay tuned for more updates. Well, finally we came to energizing all the devices, and the system is up and running well now. Mr. Terry, is one of our fire technicians. He's gonna do a test, a smoke test. Yeah, so Terry, how do you feel after how many weeks?
Almost a month running and installation. But I see those here probably 1 week or.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, so thank you, Terry. It's working now. So we just reset it again, and it's up and running now. Thank you.